Two central teams landed in two different parts of West Bengal this afternoon, apparently within 15 minutes of the state government being informed of their visit. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued a notification this afternoon saying some inter-ministerial coordination teams would visit some states to examine the alleged violation and dilution of the lockdown, while Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee tweeted asking Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah to explain why the centre was sending the teams. Something she said was against the spirit of federalism. The Chief Secretary was also publicly critical of the move, saying they're behaving as if we are trying to hide something. The way they have landed and gone to the field with the BSF, this is not acceptable. That's, of course, the Bengal government speaking out. Mamata Banerjee now joins us with all the latest. Mamata, how far is this impasse going to travel between the West Bengal government as well as the centre?
Well, a lot of water has flown under the bridge since, the Mamata Banerjee tweet and the Chief Secretary's outburst. Mamata Banerjee has now written to the Prime Minister himself, pointing out that the teams arrived in Bengal even before she was informed of it. She said the Home Minister called her at 1 p.m., but the teams had arrived at 10:10 a.m. in Bengal. She is clearly displeased about it. She also, however, made some scathing points about how apparently the centre's inputs seem to be, and I'm quoting her, figments of imagination, and said that it is the Bengal government that had first announced a lockdown and then extended it much before the centre. And she also said that the lockdown is being imposed and enforced proactively. Mamata Banerjee expressing displeasure over what has happened. How far will this roll? Really hard to say. As we speak, one central team is at the State Secretariat talking to the Chief Secretary, who has categorically said that these teams will not be allowed to roam freely anywhere they please in Bengal, especially escorted by the BSF. We'll have to see how this drama unfolds in the middle of a pandemic, a crisis, a political battle clearly happening between Bengal and Delhi.